So right now, I'm going to talk about failing forward during this pandemic. No, it's been officially what 67 days of lockdown for all of us. So how was your lockdown experience? So I hope you were able to use majority or a good amount of that lockdown time to probably assess, recalibrate, reevaluate the way you do your businesses, the way you manage or handle your finances, even the way you take care of your relationships. Alam niyo, I think for me, one of the silver linings ng pandemic na to ng COVID-19 is really it has given us a golden opportunity to really buy time. It provided us with much needed time to just really sit down, a time to think, a time to reflect on our what, on our strengths, reflect on our weaknesses, reflect on our failures. No? Ika nga nila, one of the prerequisites no, uh, of success is really failure. Even whatever success stories that you will be reading right now, really it boils down to these people experiencing failure before experiencing success.